The average of 50 numbers was 38. Later on, they realized that they misread a number, incorrectly putting 16 instead of 66. What is the new average with the correct number? To solve this question, we're going to need to find the sum that was used to find the average, right? The average is the sum divided by the number of numbers, and that's what gives us our average. In this case, we had an unknown sum. We can call that x, our variable. It was divided by 50 numbers, and then that equaled an average of 38. But if a number in that sum was incorrect, then we need to subtract the incorrect number, 16, from it, and then instead add the correct number, 66, and then retake the average to find our answer. So let's start with finding that sum. And we can do that by using this equation right here. If we do opposite operations to isolate x, we would need to multiply 50 to both sides because x is being divided by 50 and multiplication is the opposite. That will give us x equals 38 times 50, which we can do over here. 0 times anything is just 0, placeholder 0. 5 times 8 is 40. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 4 is 19. So we will have x equals 1900. So that was our original sum. Now we need to subtract from our original sum the incorrect number. We'll have to borrow, and then we'll have to borrow once more. 10 minus 6 is 4. 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 minus nothing is 8. 1 minus nothing is 8. Then our second step is to add back on the correct number. 4 plus 6 is 10. 8 plus 6 is 14, plus 1 is 15. 1 plus 8 is 9, and then 1 plus nothing is 1. So our new sum is 1950. We will need to divide that by 50, and that is going to give us our new average, or our correct answer. So let's bring that over here. How many times can 50 go into 1950? The closest we can get to the closest we can get to 195, counting by 50s, we have 50, 100, 150. If we went one more, we would go to 200, which is too far. So we need to just go 3 times 150. We'll subtract. We will get 45 and bring down a 0. And then 50 can go into 450 how many times? I know 5 can go into 45 9 times. So 50 can go into 450 also 9 times. Making 39 our answer choice D.